Bullett's always been famous for originally the Bullitt sports cars, which were supercharged V8s. More recently, we've done a lot of work on Chryslers, and a lot of people don't realise how much background work we've been doing with BMW. Matter of fact, all the team here, they all drive BMW, so it's been an excellent opportunity for us to do some really good R&D work and develop a really nice Rotarex supercharger system. So I've got 3 BMW vehicles here at the moment. This particular one here, it's an M44 engine, and it's currently putting out 260 horsepower at the wheels, which is really good for one of these. They start with 100 horsepower, so you can imagine that's a huge increase and really fun to drive. We actually have a goal for this car of 300 horsepower. The other car that we're working on, which is also with a Rotarex supercharger, is this particular unit, but this is more an R&D vehicle at the moment, and we're testing the air-to-water intercooler, which is going to be probably easier to install for people just doing an install at home, because these kits are all going to be available. So they use a Rotarex supercharger, and for those people unfamiliar with Rotarex, they're made in Denmark, and they're really one of the best superchargers on the planet. And we do kits now for the BMW, and we've been doing, actually the first BMW that we ever did was nearly 20 years ago, which was a Z4. And that car is still going strong with a Rotarex supercharger. So they are really a quality product.